More than a dozen car washes across the valley shut down by federal agents for hours today. ABC 15's Sarah Goldenberg was there for the raids at Danny's Family Car Washes. And Sarah, what was this all about?
Well, Steve, federal agents say this was a criminal investigation. It was not an immigration raid. They say the target is the employers, and the raids really caught some people off guard, from customers to nearby businesses.
Danny's Family Car Washes are always packed on the weekends, but this Saturday it was a different kind of busy as federal agents raided 16 locations across the valley, including their staffing service provider.
Sure, what kind of cake would you like? Carrot?
Frida Padilla was late to work at Miracle Mile Delicatessen because of it.
There was different types of vans. It did look like there was federal cops out there, like FBI maybe, but it looked like there was something dangerous going on.
She can see the Danny's Family Car Wash at 20th Street and Highland across the parking lot.
What could happen at a car wash, but I guess more than what you think.
A customer shot this video at a car wash in Peoria as federal agents raided the place. Later in Central Phoenix, federal agents took away several employees in handcuffs. Homeland Security Investigations special agents say the case involves alleged criminal immigration fraud, identity theft, and financial violations.
We don't target the employees. We're targeting the companies that are not playing by the rules, the companies that are not following the law.
Back at the deli, Frida wonders what happened to some of her friends who work at the car wash. She wants to know who's taking the blame for whatever was going on besides cleaning cars.
There's two sides to each story, and there's two faults.
Now, federal agents wouldn't give us an exact number on just how many arrests were made. They say some employees who provide proper paperwork will be released. But Steve, we'll have more details on Monday. That's when the federal indictment will be unsealed, and all those people who were arrested will appear in court.
Yeah, obviously a huge investigation and a lot more to come. Thanks, Sarah.